All right, so this freaking vent rattles all the time. It drives me nuts. A lot of people have talked about rattling vents. Maxair fan, and so it's simple enough to remove this thing. Just literally turn these to the side, these little clips here, and then this cover will drop out of there for you without too much trouble. And then this right here has got an Allen screw on it right there, and then the blade will come out. So I'll do that right now. And it comes right off. So now that we got that off, we can get at this business up here. And you know, I thought maybe it was that rattling. I thought maybe it was this bracket here. It's not that bracket. Thought maybe it was this bracket. It's not that bracket. None of that rattles. What does rattle is the lid. It's moving up and down a little bit. And if I open this thing, you'll see that rubber, this strip right here, super thin. I'll show you. Okay, so this is that's what's making the seal there, I guess, and it's a crappy seal. So if you look up right here, I think that's what's rattling. That thing's really, it's really loose. I reached up in there with my super stubby screwdriver, and I tightened up these screws that are up in here. Here, let me get the camera up in there for you. So, see that screw right here? This guy. I tightened that up. No more rattle. So, maybe I don't need to do anything else. I'm going to try this. I pulled out, I've got some of this that I was thinking about putting a new gasket up there, a little bit thicker. But this gasket's kind of nice. It has a extra lip there that allows it to sort of have a bulb seal. So I like that. I think it's just all about that grill work up there. So I tighten that down and maybe we're good to go. I don't like that. All right, I'm gonna wire tie that sucker in. Okay, so there it is from the underside. Let's just cable tie that in. So you can see there's my cable ties. Just strung them through there. So here we are, heading down the freeway. I'm going 68 right now, and the vent is perfectly quiet. Now before, that thing would have, oh wait, what's that noise? Is that the vent? Oh, there it goes. Oh, that didn't do it. We'll try something else then. That's what it does. Okay, so this is the kit that I got from Maxair, and it includes these pieces of rubber to put, and I'm not clear on where those go at this point. This came in about a week here. That's not too bad. The board that they're going to send me, the printed circuit board to replace the one that's airing out all the time, they said could be 2.5 months. But this is the Maxair Maxair Fan Deluxe K model noisy rain shield modification. So this is what it is. It looks like more of the same stuff that's already on the lid. Install gasket over top edge of the rain shield. Not sure by looking at these pictures what the rain shield is. Okay. So it looks like they want you to put this gasket material on this blade right here. So I'll go ahead and do that, and we'll see if it rattles anymore. But you know, I thought actually that there was a mark in the smoke plastic part of it, right about where that is. So maybe that's it. There's the one on that side. So I'll put it on there. So I put it on there, you know. I don't know. It said to align it with the end, and it shows a picture, but there really isn't much to see there. I mean, I really don't know what this could be doing, but it's on there, both sides. We can try closing this thing here. Maybe that, I don't know. I don't know what that's doing. But I do see that it does touch the lid. So I guess it's conceivable that that was the problem. Let's try it. We'll go for it. Well, it's pretty good crosswind. I'm going 70 miles an hour, and that thing is perfectly quiet. I took care of it. Take a look. And I'm going 72 right now. So, yeehaw, it's fixed. So there's the board. I just took out these 4 screws here on each corner, and comes right down. These are the wires from the van. And then I just got to unplug these 2 connectors here, and I'll take it in the garage and swap the board. The tricky part is this thing's got to come out the corner here. I got the shakes today. Works good. Now I hope this remote still works.
Just shut it off.
Yeah, it's working. It's got the temp here too. So speed is 100%. It's all working. Yay! Hey, Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom. Success! Thank you, Maxair, for sending us the parts for free. I think we got a winner here now. Take care. See you later.